Hey everyone, I am with Sean at the Samson booth here at NAB Show. Now, I was walking by, I saw this little contraption on the phone. You're in the podcasting section, and I thought, hey, is this a mobile device that allows for podcasting? You've got to tell me more about this.
Well, thank you. Yeah, so this is our Go Mic Moibile wireless system. This idea actually stemmed from, you have a phone, it's a great gadget, it's a great piece of kit for whatever you want to do. It's got so many great applications. It's got great video. The audio is not the best.
Right, the internal microphone is pretty garbage, and it's terrible if you have two people talking.
It is terrible if you have two people talking. It's terrible if you want to film yourself and have the camera about 3 to 5 feet away. You're going to catch everything else except the person that you want to capture. So we came up with the idea of the Go Mic Moibile. It's a wireless system for smartphones. And then as we were developing it, we actually said, if you're interviewing someone at a trade show like this, and you want to go around and you want to have yourself mic'd and you want to have a guest mic'd, want to make it 2 channels. This way you could be on lav and then you can have a handheld and pass it around. So this is actually a dual channel system. We can mix the 2 channels together. You can live stream, or if you want to do post-production, you could set it to 2 channel, record each mic on a separate channel and do your post-production and editing and do whatever you want to at that point.
I love it. It's such a small form factor, so it must have a small battery. It doesn't last very long. I'm sure I'm totally wrong on that, right?
A little bit. It does have a small battery, but it will last 13 hours of recording time. So that is, if you're shooting more than 13 hours, you might have some other issues, but actually you can use a power bank and charge it while you're filming anyway. So we do have that covered. We have 2 USB outputs. One is for charging, like I said. The other one goes directly into a smartphone. You get the cables, and I have them all here. You have the cables for Lightning, so your iPhone, we give you USB-C and USB micro to go into Android devices, and it also has an analog output. So if you're using it with your phone, you could monitor from there, but if you're using a standard camera, DSLR, or mirrorless, you can go into the analog input, and now you have a 2-channel wireless system for a standard camera.
And if I have headphones, can I listen and monitor to the 2-channel track as well?
Yes, you can. So you'll be able to monitor out of that, and you'll hear it similar to what is going to be passed through to the phone. So in mix mode, you'll hear both channels in mono. In 2-track, it'll separate it left and right.
This is fantastic. So really, you've got a portable solution that supports 2 separate channels. Tell me about the transmitters that you have available. You've got a handheld mic as well as the lavalier pack.
We do, the handheld mic has our Q8, it's our top-of-the-line dynamic microphone vocal mic. The handheld also has auto gain in it, so we know sometimes you're interviewing someone going back and forth, you might move the mic a little early, this will keep the levels pretty much the same as you're interviewing someone. And then with the belt pack, it comes with our LM8 lavalier microphone. It's a miniature lav, you could hide it behind, wherever on your person. But it's a mini XLR connector, so if you do have a favorite microphone, it will work with that as well.
I love these features. Now, tell me that I'm going to love the price. Where does this fit on a price point for 2 channels and the pack that plugs into a mobile device?
So the system comes with 1 microphone, either the handheld or the belt pack, and that retails for $249. And then the second transmitter costs $99.
That's fantastic. And again, you can use any native app, maybe the camera app that records on iPhone, or you can download an audio app that records just the audio only. And with Android devices, I'm sure there's other apps that can record audio. So you have limitless opportunities with mobile devices on recording audio.
Definitely. So like you said, the native camera app will work. If you want to step up, there are apps like Filmic Pro. It costs about $9, and that gives you a lot more features. With Android, every operating system is a little different, but Open Camera works across all the Android devices, and you can select the external device to record right to that. And if you just want to use it as a standalone recorder, you can download, GarageBand or any sort of memo recorder, and you can record that way as well.
This is terrific, Sean. So where can our viewers get more information on the Go Mic Moibile solution?
So if you go to our website, which is www.samsontech.com, we'll have information on the Go Mic Moibile. And if you go to samsontech.com/where will you go, you'll get a little bit more of the story and see some videos that we have on the product as well.
This is fantastic. I hope our creators now see a new solution that's super portable, super affordable, that they can get started with 2-channel podcasting. I love it. Thank you so much for sharing it with me today.
Of course. Thank you guys so much.
How about that? If you've been thinking about doing podcasting, but you think you need 2 microphones, a mixer, expensive software, this solution bundles it all in a mobile compatible device for a few $100s. I think it's the most awesome thing ever. If you think so too, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the FPPad YouTube channel. from the 2018 NAB Show, I'm Bill Winterberg.